Yeah, you tell me you don't feel the exact same way. That God is dead and the course towards destruction has actually been set? Like the self-destruct mechanism on the Enterprise. And the red lights are flashing and the sirens are blaring and we've all been warned, but here's the thing. We just don't know how long the timer is set for. So we go prancing along, pretending to be oblivious, having kids, paying our bills, and BAM! The refugee crisis. And the war on drugs, and then the war on women, and the war on blah, and then the war on blah, and the war on frickin' blah! I'm fine.